Hi everyone! Welcome back to ViWizard's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you a simple trick to add Tidal music to DJUCED, no DJ extension or Tidal account connection needed. Just follow along, and you'll be mixing Tidal tracks in just like this.
Turn on the music!
First, let's take a quick look at the usual way people add Tidal music. Open DJUCED on your computer, click the settings icon at the top right, then go to Connect and choose Tidal. Once you log in, head back to the main interface, and you'll see Tidal under the library. From there, you can browse your Tidal music or use the search bar to find specific tracks. To mix a song, just drag it to the deck. Sounds simple, until this pop-up shows up telling you a DJ extension is required. But here's the good news, you don't need one. All you need is a Tidal downloader, and I've linked one in the description below. Here's how it works. Step 1, open ViWizard Tidal Music Converter and set your preferences. You can pick the audio format, bitrate, and sample rate. Or just leave it on the default lossless setting for the best sound quality. Step 2, find the songs, albums, or playlists you want from Tidal. Click Add Music and drop them into the conversion list. Step 3, hit Convert and let ViWizard do the rest. It's super quick and easy. Once it's done, go to the converted list to preview your files. Now you can just go to DJUCED, find the downloaded Tidal tracks and drag them into DJUCED and start mixing. No DJ extension needed. If you have any trouble, check out the full guide linked below or leave a comment. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.